With continuation to the previous video, now we'll see the relationship between molar mass of solute and boiling point elevation, that is delta Tb. The relationship between molar mass of solute, molar mass is said to be m, molar mass, and 2 stands for solute. 2 indication is given for solute, and boiling point elevation is nothing but delta Tb. So we will see the relationship between m2 and delta Tb. Now, in last part only, we saw that delta Tb is equal to Kb into small m. What is small m here? It is molality. And I told you what is molality. It is molality. Now if you consider W2 grams of solute is dissolved in W1 gram of solvent. Okay, you are considering W2 is the weight of the solute in grams which is dissolved in W1 gram of solvent. Then moles of solute N2, moles is N and 2 stands for solute. So moles of solute can be calculated as W2 upon M2. What is W2? Mass of solute, and M2 is nothing but molar mass of solute. 2 stands for solute. This stands for molar mass of solute. Now mass of solvent is given as W1, weight of solvent, or mass of solvent is W1. 1 indicates solvent in grams, but molality tells us that we have to consider the weight in kg. Molality काय आहे? Formula moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. म्हणून my first duty is I should convert mass of solvent in kg. So W1 gram चा conversion मी kg मध्ये करणार. So this becomes W1 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg, and 10 raised to minus 3 ला मी खाली घेतलं. This becomes W1 upon 1000 kg. So molality here is equal to moles of the solute according to the formula. I told you the formula. Molality is moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Moles of solute is N, which is nothing but W2 upon M2. I'll put up the value W2 upon M2 upon mass of solvent in kg. So mass of solvent in kg becomes W1 upon 1000 kg मध्ये. ग्राम्स मध्ये घेतला तर डायरेक्टली W1 लिहिणार, पण फॉर्म्युलाच काय सांगतो? यू हॅव टू टेक द मास ऑफ सॉल्व्हेंट इन kg. सो W1 upon 1000 बिकॉज वी आर कन्सिडरिंग इन ग्राम्स, म्हणून त्याला kg मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायला यू विल हॅव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 1000. सो दिस फॉर्म्युला बिकम्स W2 upon M2. आता दिस इज होल डिव्हिजन. हा डिव्हिजन चा कन्वर्जन मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना याचा रेसिप्रोकल होणार. सो दिस 1000 goes up, W1 comes down, and M is equal to this molality becomes equal to 1000 into W2 upon M2 into W1. This is the formula for molality. Now delta Tb is equal to delta Tb. You come back to this formula. आपण मोलॅलिटीचा फॉर्म्युला आताच पाहिला. काय झाला फॉर्म्युला? Delta Tb is equal to Kb into, substitute formula of molality, 1000 into W2 upon M2 into W1. That was molality. So I have substituted the formula of molality and I get, now I want to find relationship for M2. So I'll take M2 on one side. M2 is equal to, M2 I have taken here, delta Tb will go down. M2 will be equal to 1000 into Kb into W2. Kb into W2 upon delta Tb into W1. So we'll see the parameters. M becomes molar mass of what? Solute. 2 is for solute. I've told you this, that 2 stands for solute. Those who are watching the video, they will realize this concept. 2 is for solute. M2. M becomes molar mass. Molar mass कोणाचा? Soluteचा. Molar mass of solute has to be calculated, which is equal to 1000, which is a constant number. W2, that is weight of solute. Weight. कधी weight आपल्याला 0.6 grams दिला असेल, कधी weight 10 grams दिला असेल, मग weight factor हा change होत राहणार. But molar mass हा factor constant राहणार. Molar mass is always constant. What changes is the weight that you are taking. So this is W2 becomes the weight of the solute, that is mass of the solute. Molar mass of the solute into Kb. Kb काय आहे? एबिलोस्कोपिक कॉन्स्टंट और मोलर एलिव्हेशन कॉन्स्टंट. इट्स अ कॉन्स्टंट. म्हणजे प्रत्येक सोल्युशन सॉल्व्हेंटसाठी केबी ची ही व्हॅल्यू ही डिफरंट असते. ती प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दॅट व्हॅल्यू इज ऑलवेज गिव्हन टू यू डिवायडेड बाय डेल्टा टीबी. डेल्टा टीबी काय आहे? इट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन द टू टेम्परेचर्स. इट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन टीबी 0 it is the difference between TB and TB0, that is of solution and of solvent, pure solvent. याचा difference is delta TB and W1 becomes the weight or mass of the solvent. This is mass of solvent, mass or weight of solvent, because one term stands for solvent. One stands for solvent. So from this formula you will have to, this is the formula which will be used for problems, and sometimes you get this to derive, simple thing to derive. फक्त याच्यामध्ये मोलॅलिटी तुम्हाला क्लिअर पाहिजे, कन्सेप्ट ऑफ मोलॅलिटी ही क्लिअर पाहिजे, and you can easily find the relationship between the molar mass of solute and delta TB, that is boiling point elevation. याचा relationship can be easily found out. So see the video carefully.